Hi, this is the part 2 of Programmatic SEO where I will talk about how you can implement Programmatic SEO through code. So let's get into the video directly. So you can see this is a clip block page. I have written one block. Image is missing, that's why you can see the alt tag. And if I just press on the filters, it actually filters out the blocks according to the filter. And you can see in the footer I have the other categories as well. Now when I click on this particular page, you can see the tag is there, you can see breadcrumb is there, and you can see the header, the subtitle, and again it is written by me. Then again I will put one image here. Then what is caffeine and all, what are the common problems. We can see the sections here in the left, and once they are satisfied after reading this, I have just put my own CTA which I can customize according to the different pages. Now the thing is with this particular application is that you can see everything is in UI, but when it comes to crawler, it may or may not detect. So how to verify whether your crawler will detect this page or not? So you have to go here and you have to go to head, and you have to look for something called application JSON-LD. So you can just do this one. So if you see, I have one structured data blog post, and you can see this is a script type application JSON, and this is type blog posting. And this is one thing which you need to know. I can change it to article as well, but this blog posting is also nice. And another JSON LD is that is breadcrumb. So you can see home, blog, then alternatives. So we have different breadcrumbs with this also. So these are the few things which you have to implement through code, and how you can do that I will just explain you. You can ask AI to do it, but I will just show you how you can structure it, and you can give it as a prompt to AI so that it can build it for you. Now let's get to the code. So you can see this is a subclip web, and you can see I have created something called data, then slash block, and in this you have index.ts. Now in the index.ts, I have actually given what are the pages I have with me. And for example, this one, capping alternative. If you go inside this, it contains all the details. So what is the title, what is subtitle, what is the slug, category, author name, published date, read time, image, SEO, meta title, description, keywords, canonical URL. I've explained in one of my video of SEO checklist. I've explained what exactly is canonical URL. Then table of contents, which you have seen in the left. Then content overview problem. So this is just something which you can like you can draft it in your own language, in your own notes or docs, and then you can give it to here to just properly categorize it into proper content. And then it is featured, I can just do it false so that it doesn't get featured, like the blue portal which you can see in the blog, that will not be done. Now what are the tags, what are the related posts? So these are the related posts which I will add into my application, and again I will write about them. So you can see this is how you can do it. So let me just commit this one so that I don't forget. And after that, how to actually write this one. So why we are doing the index part? So the reason is very simple, and that is whatever JSON data, you can see this is a JSON file. It cannot be read when it is deployed in Vercel. It cannot be read directly through file system. You have to build the whole application as a static page, like it will be rendered as HTML, CSS, JS. So right now you can see this is only JSON data, but we have to convert this into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So for that we have written a code inside this particular part, and this and this one. So I can see what are all the categories, what are the parameters. So this actually gets the data from the index.ts. So we have a script which you can see how to get the script. So you can read this one, and this is again very simple, and this type of script can be written by your AI coding like tool as well. So I won't get into the complexity. I just want to give you a flow that you can build a JSON file in which you put all the data, and that JSON file will be converted into a page through your different code. So you can see for the slug, here I have written how to mark down to HTML, like whatever content you have seen in the JSON it was actually markdown, and now it is converted into HTML. So this is how it is done, and you can see the structured data, how we are getting the structured data, how we are getting the block data. So we are using blog post, and what are the types like titles, subtitles, slug, category, and all. So we have defined type, and you can see I am getting all the Index.ts, which I have already mentioned, how we are converting it and all. So this is how you can actually write your code, and this is how it is processed. So AI can write it, like I have not written it, AI has written it. I have just prompted it in a way that it has designed according to my own needs. And again, this is a proper way to write programmatic SEO, which, and now if I have already implemented this by one block, now I can write 100 blocks. And if I link it in here, like if I just link the 100 JSON files and link these slugs here, it will be automatically done. It will be automatically like done by this step. So I don't have to do it manually, like converting it each page and matching each design. It can be done automatically. So this is what we call programmatic SEO, and this is how you achieve through code. And this was the part 2 which I wanted to show you. So if you want a proper demo on programmatic SEO, just let me know. I will create one, because this is a confidential code base. I just wanted to give you a heads up. Okay, you can refer this particular document, and you can see how we are doing it in production. But if you want a dedicated video, then I will prepare another code base which you can use to understand how to do programmatic SEO. So let me know in the comments. Until then, take care and bye.